Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Lecture number 35. This lecture is dedicated to natural dye ink formulation. Having understood that natural dye ink are used in digital inkjet dyeing machines, we have to first now learn how these formulations are made. Basic composition of an ink. The qualities of ink are based on its composition. An ink is composed of three parts that define how it will behave together. The general ingredients are pigment, binder and a vehicle or carrier. The oldest writing ink was developed before 2500 BC, before Christ, where suspensions of carbon, typically lamp black, in white solubilized with natural gum, gelatin or egg albumin. In contrast, modern inks are far more complex. In addition to the pigment they contain, various other ingredients such as solvents, dyes, resins, lubricants, solubilizer, surfactants, fluorescent and many other ingredients are present. So, in earlier times it was a simple combination of carbon black or lamp black and some natural gums or gelatin or even egg albumin. But now the modern ink is much more complicated. It has pigment as well as solvent and dyes and resins and lubricants and solubilizers and surfactant, what have you. The chemical composition of the ink varies from product to product. By either way, most of the time the ink contains at least one of the many ingredients definitely. Natural dye ink have an old history. Before synthetic dyes and pigments were accessible, people have been leaving marks made with berries, burnt sticks or colored rocks. Ink in the earliest and oldest time of information technology was in practice, creating inks from a variety of locally sourced natural materials by boiling, fermenting and steeping in organic solvents. Steady improvement happened through extensive research and lots of trials and error experimentation. Producing ink is most straightforward when you keep an open mind. When the unexpected occurs, some of the results of creating your own living colored ink are the most fascinating. Natural dye ink. Natural dye ink offers practical usefulness by providing environmentally friendly, non-toxic and versatile coloring option with unique aesthetic qualities. Its application span varies from industries from art and design to textiles and manufacturing, where sustainability and quality are valued. So, in natural dye ink has a vast demand and it is used for by various industries. It is not just for printing alone, and of course, art and design to textile is one of the major area where natural dye ink is being used. Formulating natural dye ink can be rewarding endeavor as it allows for a creation of environmentally friendly and sustainable inks. Here is a basic recipe for making natural dye ink, and the ingredients are natural dye source, which could be plant material, insect, minerals, and among plant materials it could be flower, bark, leaves, fruits, etc. Water or alcohol, which acts as a solvent, binder, which can be optional, helps to adhere the dye to the paper or fabric, thickener, optional, helps to control the ink flow. Instructions to make natural dye ink. Choose your natural dye source. There are many options of natural dyes, including various plants and plant parts like roots, bark, berries, and some of the animal parts like insects, and particularly cochineal has been used. Different materials will produce different color, so choose according to the desired color outcome. Extract the dye. Depending on the dye source, you will need to extract the dye by boiling, soaking or crushing the material. For example, you might boil plant material in water or alcohol to release the color. The amount of dye material and extraction time will vary depending on the specific source and desired intensity of the color. Now, we have seen that Soxhlet extraction becomes now very important in this case when we want to make natural dye ink, because it is best suited for extraction as it does in a solvent methanol or ethanol. And even water extraction can be done in Soxhlet, and because of repeated and for several hours this the cycle of the Soxhlet solvent goes on, the extraction is fairly efficient. Strain the dye. Once the dye has been extracted, it is removed and strained from all solid particles and debris, leaving a clean liquid. Method of making ink from natural dyes. Mix with solvent, dilute the dye with water or alcohol to achieve the desired intensity of color. The ratio of dye to solvent will depend on the concentration of the dye extract and the desired shade. So, this is up to the dyer to make this choice how much solvent he or she should mix. Optional, add binder and thickener. If desired, you can add a binder such as gum arabic to help the dye adhere to the paper and improve the color fastness. Additionally, you can also add thickener such as xanthine gum to control the viscosity of the ink and prevent it from running too much. That means, you are actually controlling the viscosity and the consistency of the dye. Ink. Just test and adjust. Before using the ink, it is a good idea to test it on a scrap paper, piece of paper, to ensure it performs as desired. A small test must be carried out just to check whether the consistency is okay or not. You can adjust the concentration of the dye solvent, binder or thickener as needed to achieve the desired results. Store properly. Natural dye inks may have a shorter life shelf than commercial inks. So, it is important to store them properly in airtight containers away from light and heat and oxygen and moisture to preserve their color and longevity. Different natural dye sources for ink formulation. Because of the diverse plant that are used as dye yielding plants, different natural dye sources and formulations can lead to a wide range of colors and effects. Additionally, keep in mind that natural dyes may not always produce the same intensity or consistency as synthetic dyes, but their unique quality and eco-friendly nature can make them a valuable addition to your ink making toolkit. Now, one thing that I have been talking time and again, that natural dyes, if they are sourced from different areas, may have different dye content. Now, there is no bottom line that it can say that it will always contain 2% or it will always contain 4%. So, it is advisable that if the material is sourced from different sources, before mixing it should be kind of evaluated for its dye content, and then ink making or ink formulation makes more sense. Formulating natural dye ink for digital printing may require some experimentation and optimization to achieve the desired color accuracy, print quality and durability, because you see they behave differently than synthetic dyes. Synthetic dyes have been used for digital printing for a long time now. Now, since we are trying to introduce natural dye ink, definitely a lot of experimentation and optimization would be required, and this will help us to get the desired color accuracy, print quality, and we will be able to ascertain the durability. Additionally, compatibility with specific digital printing system may also vary. So, it is essential to test the ink formulation thoroughly before we go for large scale use, because unless and until we have set our hands on smaller pieces of paper or fabric, it is not advisable to use it on large scale. Basic ingredients of ink made from natural dyes. So, what is the chemistry? What are the ingredients? What are the mandatory ingredients? What are the necessary ingredients? What can be avoided? We will learn about that in the formulation of natural dye inks. Natural dye extract. Choose a natural dye source suitable for digital printing. Some options include plant based dyes like indigo, turmeric, beetroot extract, or insect based dyes like cochineal extract. Time and again I am only talking about these dyes, because these dyes leave very deep vibrant color, and that is what is required in today's time. Others have a little earthy color, they are kind of very sober colors, and they will not leave a very everlasting or appealing look on the fabric or paper. These should be in a concentrated form suitable for digital printing. Solvent. Use of a solvent compatible with digital printing system such as water, alcohol or glycerine only should be used. The solvent helps dissolve the dye extract, ensures smooth flow through the printer, because we can't afford to have blockages or have lumps in the dye solution. Humectant. Optionally, a humectant like glycerine or polypropylene glycol to help prevent the ink from drying out and clogging the printer nozzles. So, that is acted. Humectant is added only to avoid the clogging of the printer nozzles. Binder. A binder may be necessary to improve adhesion and durability of the printed ink on the printing substrate. Gum arabic or other natural binders can be used. Surfactant. Optionally include a surfactant to improve the wetting and spreading of the ink on the printing substrate. So, to increase the wettability or to have a even spreading of the ink, there is a need to add surfactant. Printing ink preparation. How is it prepared actually? To prepare an acidic printing paste, 2 ml of acetic acid, 60% was added to 100 gram of the originally prepared paste to obtain a pH 5.38 and then 3 gram of violet dye was mixed into the paste and a lighter violet printing ink was obtained. The printing ink so prepared was applied to the substrate using the semi-automatic screen printing machine with the flat printing screen made up of polyester fabric with 77 thread per centimeter and a thread diameter of 55 micron with 3 strokes of squeegees. The prints were dried at room temperature overnight and then cured at 150 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. So, this is how the ink is prepared, printing ink is prepared, and this is how it is applied. Benefits of using natural dye inks. Using natural dye ink offers several benefits compared to synthetic or chemical based inks, and here are some of the advantages. Eco-friendliness. Time and again we have spoken that natural dyes are eco-friendly, they are biodegradable, they are sustainable, they are from the renewable resources. Natural dye inks are derived from plant sources such as fruits, vegetables, flowers and other organic material. They are biodegradable and do not contain harmful chemicals, making them environmentally friendly. Non-toxic. Unlike synthetic inks that may contain toxic substances such as heavy metals or volatile organic compounds VOCs, natural dye inks are non-toxic and safe for both human and environment. This makes them ideal for use in setting where health and safety are concerned, such as schools, homes and offices. There are more benefits of natural dye inks. Sustainable. The production of natural dye ink typically involves renewable resources and traditional techniques that have been used for centuries. This promotes sustainability and supports local communities engaged in farming or harvesting natural dye sources. Natural dye inks are often hypoallergenic and less likely to cause skin irritation or allergic reactions compared to synthetic inks. This makes them suitable for the use of application where direct contact with the skin is common, such as textiles and cosmetics. Vibrant colors. Natural dyes can produce a wide range of vibrant and rich colors, often with unique shades and variation that are difficult to replicate with synthetic dyes. So, it is now a myth and it is a wrong notion that vibrant colors cannot be obtained from natural dyes. Over these lectures, I have tried to demonstrate that very vibrant, very bright colors can also be obtained from natural dyes, and it is not that only synthetic dyes can give vibrant colors, even natural dyes can give very brilliant and vibrant colors. This makes them popular among the artists, designers and craftsmen looking for high quality pigment from natural origin. Cultural heritage. Many natural dye sources have cultural significance and historical importance, representing traditional knowledge and practices passed down through the generations. Using natural dye ink can help preserve and celebrate these cultural traditions while promoting sustainable and ethical practices. Reduce environmental impact. The production and use of natural dye inks typically have a lower environmental impact compared to synthetic alternatives. They require less energy and fewer chemical inputs, leading to reduced pollution and resource consumption throughout the product life cycle. So, it is a well known fact now that the production and the use of natural dye whether it is ink, whether it is print, whether it is dye for use for dyeing, all of them have lower impact on the environment. Overall, natural dye inks offer a sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative to synthetic inks, with the added benefit of vibrant colors, biocompatibility and cultural heritage preservation. Advantages of using natural dye inks. Natural dye ink offers several practical and valuable advantages across various applications. And the first and the foremost of the application or advantage is the eco-friendliness. Natural dye ink is derived from renewable plant sources such as fruits, vegetables and flowers, making it environmentally sustainable. Its production typically involves fewer chemicals and synthetic materials compared to conventional ink manufacturing processes, thereby reducing overall environmental impact. And time and again we have seen that these things have been in common, because when we are talking natural dyes, this is the attribute of natural dye, that it is environmentally friendly. Non-toxicity. Natural dye ink is generally non-toxic and biodegradable, posing minimal risk to human health and the environment. This makes it a safer option for use in setting where exposure to chemical is a concern, such as schools, homes and workplaces. And non-toxicity also has been proven time and again, because in this formulation also, in natural dye ink formulation, nowhere any harmful chemical or auxiliary is added. Color variability. Natural dyes offer a diverse range of colors and shades, often with unique variation that add character to printed materials. This variability allows for greater creativity and customization in design projects, catering to different aesthetic preferences and requirements. So, you can choose a large number of color because of the color variability. Compatibility with various surfaces. Natural dye ink can be used on wide range of surfaces including paper, fabric, wood and leather. Its versatility makes it suitable for various applications such as printing, painting and dyeing, offering flexibility in artistic and manufacturing processes. So, it can be of wide application, and it is compatible with whether it is a paper or a fabric or wood or leather. Everywhere they can be used, the natural dye inks can be used. It can be used by artists, it can be used in many manufacturing processes. The longevity and fade resistance. Natural dyes, when properly applied and cared for, can exhibit good light fastness and durability over time. This means that the prints made with natural dye ink are less prone to fading or decolorization, resulting in long lasting and visually appealing outcomes. So, if they are not fading with time, if they are retaining their color vibrancy, then natural dye ink are definitely better in their option. Cultural and historical significance. Many natural dye sources have cultural and historical significance, representing traditional knowledge and practices passed down through generations. Using natural dye ink can help preserve and promote these cultural traditions, fostering appreciation for indigenous craftsmanship and heritage. So, we are actually, if we are using natural dye, we are kind of restoring the cultural heritage. Health benefits in textile. In textile and clothing, natural dye ink can offer additional benefits such as breathability, hypoallergenic properties. Fabric dyed with natural dyes are often more comfortable to wear, especially for individuals with sensitive skin and allergies. So, they are very much suited for people whose skin is more sensitive to skin allergies, and therefore, because they are hypoallergenic, that means they have very less allergy chances and they are breathable, therefore, they have health benefits, tremendous health benefits. Support for sustainable agriculture. By utilizing natural dye sources for making natural dye ink, such as plant extracts and agricultural byproducts are made in use. The demand for sustainably grown crops is therefore encouraged. This can contribute to the promotion of organic farming practices and support local economies dependent on agriculture. So, it also has a social aspect. You see, when we ask the farmers, local farmers, to grow a particular natural dye plant, especially the indigo farming which has revived, many areas are now growing indigo because it has found to have good market. So, such practices can help the local farmers and support the local economies. Different uses of natural dye ink. Natural dye ink can be used in textile and it offers several advantages including sustainability, environmental friendliness and aesthetic appeal. Here are some of the common applications where they can be used. Natural dye ink is used for coloring textile during the dyeing process. It can be applied to various natural fibers such as cotton, wool, silk, linen, jute and hair. These dyes can produce a wide range of colors including vibrant hues and stubble shades depending on the dyeing techniques and natural dye source used. Printing and surface design. Natural dye ink can be utilized for printing designs, patterns and artworks directly onto the fabric surface. This process, known as digital textile printing or direct to garment printing, allows for intricate and detailed design to be transferred onto the textile with precision and clarity. So, for digital printing, which has come a big way, this natural dye ink formulation will find its way. In hand painting and block printing, artisans and craftsmen often use natural dye ink for hand painting and block printing techniques on textile. This allows for unique and artistic designs to be created, adding individuality and character to the textile product such as clothing, scarves and home furnishing. Tie and dyeing and shibori. Natural dye ink is commonly used in tie and dyeing and shibori techniques, where fabric is manipulated and bound before dyeing to create pattern and textures. This traditional dyeing technique method results in one of its kind design with a distinct handmade aesthetics. So, wherever one wants to use this special type of techniques which were traditional techniques, but even in the modern time now instead of natural dye ink formulations are being used in these practices of tie and dye and shibori. Batik. Batik is a traditional wax resistant dyeing technique that uses natural dye ink to create intricate patterns on fabric. Hot wax is applied to the fabric in specific areas to resist the dye, resulting in a dyed design once the wax is removed. Natural dye ink batik textiles are highly prized for their craftsmanship and cultural significance. Home textiles and even fashion apparels, textile art and fiber art. Natural dye ink is a popular choice among textile artists and fiber artisans for creating artworks and craft pieces. It allows for experimentation for color, texture and surface design techniques, leading to innovative and expressive textile art forms. Fashion and apparel. Fashion designers and clothing brands often use natural dye ink to color fabrics for apparel and accessories. Natural dye ink textile offer a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative to synthetic dyes, meeting consumers' demand for environmentally conscious fashion choices. So, you see, even among fashion and apparel designers, there is a kind of a demand made by them for natural dye ink, because at the end of the day these are sustainable and eco-friendly alternatives to synthetic dyes. Home textile and interior design. Natural dye ink textiles are used in home furnishing such as curtains, upholstery, bedding and decorative textiles. They add warmth, texture and visual interest to interior spaces while promoting sustainability and natural living. Major use of this natural dye ink is actually in the digital printing. In digital printing, natural dye ink is primarily used for producing high quality prints on various substrates, including paper, fabric and other materials. While synthetic dyes are more commonly used in digital printing due to their stability and consistency, natural dye inks are now offering several benefits in certain applications. The major use of natural dye ink in digital printing includes textile printing. Digital textile printing is a major application where natural dye ink finds significant use. It allows for the direct printing of designs and patterns onto fabric without the need of traditional dyeing processes. Natural dye inks can be used to produce vibrant and intricate designs on natural fiber textile such as cotton, silk, linen, hemp and wool. This application is particularly popular in the fashion industry for creating custom designed garments, accessories and home textiles. So, it is very much used in the textile printing. Soft signage. Natural dye ink is also used in digital printing of soft signage application. Soft signage refers to printed graphics or advertisement displayed on flexible fabric substrates such as banners, flags and backdrops. Natural dye inks provide excellent color reproduction and durability on fabric substrates, making them suitable for indoor and outdoor signage applications as they are not subjected to fading. Interior decoration. Digital printing with natural dye ink is utilized for producing decorative elements for interior design applications. This includes printing custom wallpaper, wall murals, upholstery fabrics and window treatments with intricate designs and vibrant colors. natural dye inks offer a sustainable and eco-friendly option for enhancing interior spaces with personalized and visually appealing prints. Scope for natural dye ink in current market. While synthetic dyes dominate the digital printing industry due to their versatility and consistency, natural dye ink finds niche applications where sustainability, eco-friendliness and unique aesthetic qualities are valued, such as textile printing, soft signage, interior decoration, fine art printing and eco-friendly packaging. So, you see that it has such a wide market and there is scope for many other domains as well. Not only for textile printing, soft signage, interior decoration, fine art printing and eco-friendly packaging. These are some of the very established market for natural dye inks in the current market. The scope of natural dye inks in the current market is expanding across various industries and applications as consumers, businesses and policy makers increasingly prioritize sustainability and environmental responsibility. And I had told that all the big brands are moving towards using natural products, natural dyes wherever possible, because they have already prioritized in their company forum that sustainability and environmental responsibility comes on the top. As demands for eco-friendly alternative continues to grow, natural dye inks are expected to play a significant role in shaping the future of the printing and textile industry. More textile industries are preferring natural dye ink. Textile industry, with increasing awareness about environmental sustainability and concern regarding the use of synthetic dyes, there is a growing interest and demand in natural dye inks within the textile industry. Manufacturers and brands are exploring ways to incorporate natural dye inks into their production processes to create eco-friendly and sustainable textiles. Fashion and apparel. Fashion brands are increasingly turning to natural dye inks to produce clothing and accessories with minimal environmental impact. Consumers are seeking out products made with natural dyes as they become more conscious of the environmental and health implications of synthetic dyes used in conventional textile manufacturing. Home furnishing. The market for eco-friendly home furnishing, including curtains, upholstery fabric, bedding and decoration textile, is driving demand for natural dye ink. Consumers are looking for sustainable options to decorate their homes, and textiles printed with natural dyes offer an attractive and environmentally friendly choice. So, textile industry, which is fashion and apparel industry, home furnishing industries are all opting for natural dye inks. Inkjet printing, an emerging technology. Inkjet printing is one of the largest and fastest growing imaging technologies, showing benefits over the conventional printing methods of roller and flatbed screen printing, and offering unique advantages such as simplicity, lower production costs, reduced effluent waste and lower water and energy consumption, together with unlimited design combination and possibilities which make it possible to produce innovative products. Digital printing with natural dye ink is of great importance. as it not only allows the production of high added value eco-friendly textile articles, but also can be used in the packaging, food, cosmetics industries for production of novel eco-friendly material. So, digital printing using natural inkjet inks are becoming more and more popular. Examples of use of natural inks on cotton and silk. The advantage of efficient and flexible digital printing are tempered by the serious environmental impact of many synthetic dyes and chemicals. In response to this problem, cyan, magenta, yellow and black CMYK inks using biodegradable natural dyes for inkjet printing were prepared using gardenia blue, amaranth, gardenia yellow, logwood and lac. The prepared ink were monitored for 60 days for storage stability evaluation. In addition, evaluation of printing quality by measuring color strength, that is K by S, ink penetration, printing sharpness and color fastness were done on cotton and silk. Now, they tried to replace synthetic dyes which are cyan, magenta, yellow and black, that is CMYK, by using gardenia blue, amaranth, gardenia yellow and logwood and lac. And they tried to find out the color strength, the stability of this ink as well. The unique color of each prepared ink was printed well with good storage stability and excellent printing sharpness. The printing sharpness of cotton fabric was better than that of silk fabric. On the other hand, the penetration factor value of silk printing was significantly greater than that of cotton printing. The rubbing fastness and the washing fastness were very good for both cotton and silk. Ink penetration factor, because just the way we saw dye concentration, how do we find out, dye uptake, how do we find out. Similarly, how much of ink has penetrated into the fabric can also be calculated and was expressed as the penetration factor PF and was calculated based on the equation shown below, which was determined by calculating the ratio of K by S obtained from the back of the print to the corresponding value from the face of the print. So, PF, which is the penetration factor of the ink penetration in percentage, is equal to 100 K by SB, that is the back side of the print, upon 0.5 K by S of the front side plus K by S of the back side. So, this is how the ink penetration factor is calculated. Storage and stability of the prepared natural dye inks. If you remember, I had told that natural dye extracts cannot be preserved for too long. They have short shelf life. However, now if the inks have to be prepared, they need to be having good storage stability. Monitoring a formulation over a period of time is a widely accepted method for evaluating stability of inkjet. The viscosity, the surface tension, the pH of the inkjet ink formulation prepared with natural dyes were monitored over a period of 60 days at room temperature. When observed with the naked eyes after storage for 60 days, there was no aggregation or precipitation of the ink components. The viscosity, surface tension and pH of the ink was slightly changed. Printing effects of natural dye inks. The prepared natural dye ink consisted of a natural colorant, a water soluble solvent, a wetting agent, a surfactant and an anti-foaming agent and some distilled water. The ink were printed well with unique colors of ink respectively. To find out the printing quality, outline sharpness, the penetration factor and the color fastness were measured. As a result of analyzing the printed 0.3 and 0.5 mm line images, the printing sharpness was excellent. The printing sharpness of cotton fabric was better than that of silk fabric. In all color printing, the penetration factor value of silk printing was significantly greater than that of the cotton printing. In cotton fabric, the smaller the K by S value of the printing front, the greater the ink penetration factor. The rubbing fastness and the washing fastness were very good for both cotton and silk. Natural printing ink from indigo. Natural printing inks were obtained from organic lake pigments have advantages since their production implies renewable resources causing minimum environmental pollution as low and has low risk factor in relation to human health. Natural organic printing inks do not pollute the environment. They are neither toxic nor carcinogenic, and some also have antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Most of the natural pigments are weak organic acids. Indigo, which is obtained from Indigofera tinctoria plant, is used to prepare such ink which is from natural indigo. Natural dye ink from Japanese knotweed. The study showed the possibility of using natural dye from Japanese knotweed, a plant which is very popular in Japan, one of the most invasive plant for printing. The water-based printing ink base prepared with the Japanese knotweed, rhizome extract and acrylic additives such as binder and thickener was suitable for screen printing on papers of high grammage and as expected also on cotton and polyester fabrics, resulting in good yellow prints. The prints on the fabric had excellent ink resistance to dry rubbing. The prints on cotton fabric had moderate and on polyester fabric poor resistance to wet rubbing and wet ironing. The fastness of prints to laundering in a single wash test at 40 degrees was poor to moderate, slightly better on cotton. So, a lot of experimentation was carried out. Natural dye ink was also prepared from beetroot. So, people are exploring newer and newer sources for getting these dyes from plants. Indigo is one of them, Japanese knotweed is another one, and the third one is beetroot. A study both of natural antimicrobial properties and pH sensitive natural dyes obtained from beetroot was done. Inks were prepared and printed using this dye, and their suitability for smart packaging was investigated. For this purpose, red beetroot was cut into small sizes and mixed separately in ethanol and water in the ratio of 1:2 at 200 rpm. The betaine dye was taken up in the solvent. These solvents were removed with evaporator and precipitated with centrifugation and dried in vacuum oven. The prints produced using the red beetroot extract have a yellow orange color in the basic state. In the acidic cases, it was determined to have pink purple color. In addition, it has been found that the pink ink prints obtained from red beetroot have antimicrobial properties against bacteria. So, it is antibacterial as well as it has been proven that it can act as an ink very well. Beta-lane from beetroot has a structure like this, and this structure we have come across earlier also, and because it has two nitrogenous groups, it is susceptible for pH changes, and that is why it gives yellow orange in the basic and red in the acidic condition. The natural ink from beetroot was then used for without mordant and with mordant and compared, and the images are shown in this slide. Even the pH variation was shown. First, it was a print only with beta-lane without making any changes in the composition. No mordant was used. Then they used mordant, and you can see that from 78.45 L value, the value fell to 63.67, and there is an apparent darkening of the color. The lower the value of L, the darker is the color obtained. Then the print was done with acidic treatment and it became a little lighter. When it was treated with acidic treatment and mordant, it became in between the mordant. So, acid was not a desirable color, but still the color palette could be obtained. But when the print was done with beta-lane and base, that is NaOH treated, it became yellowish in color. So, under basic condition with mordant, it gave a little darker color. So, from the same beetroot extract, one can get different types of pink in under the acidic condition, and one can get different types of yellow under the basic condition. And that is the beauty of natural dye that I have been talking about from the very beginning, that the natural dyes from one extract under different mordant condition, or in the case of anthocyanin under different conditions of pH, it can give different color. That is the beauty of natural dyes. So, to wind up this lecture, I would say that natural dye inks can be prepared and have been prepared from indigo, beetroot, Japanese knotweed and many other, because we also saw the example of where the CMYK was used or regenerated from the natural sources with gardenia blue, gardenia yellow, amaranthus and lac dye and logwood dyes. So, we can say that natural dye inks used in the digital printing are very much now in demand. They can be used for various purposes, and we have seen that they have different attributes. That means they are not only sustainable, but they are also having a very good eco-friendliness. That means they do not leave any environmental impact. These are the sustainability factors, but in terms of usability factor, these natural dye inks have good binding property, have good color fastness, and that is what makes them most attractive. If we are looking for natural dye inks, and if they can be used in all kinds of printing and modern as well as traditional printing techniques like tie and dye, shibori, in batik, in other kind of screen printing, they have been used as a very versatile source of coloration. And this is what brings us to a conclusion that natural dyes are very useful and they are being used in a very big way. The natural dye ink preparation is not at all difficult, and their usage on so many platforms of printing methods has made them a most popular and fetched after ink. Now people are reducing the use of synthetic inks because they have a negative environmental impact, and because the natural dye inks formulations are using safe binders and thickeners and very few chemicals with very little water demand, they are one of the most fetched after formulation for printing, for digital printing particularly. With this, we have come to an end of this chapter, this lecture. Thank you.
Hello, I am Shikha Dikshit. I teach psychology and I am with the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences at IIT Kanpur. Today I am going to talk about what is health psychology. In the recent past, health psychology has emerged as one of the important areas in psychology. It is a field of study where psychological theories and concepts are applied to understand issues regarding health and illness. The two major themes which health psychologists are interested in studying are the themes of illness experience and behaviors associated with that experience. Contemporary health psychology adopts various and diverse kind of perspectives to understand health and illness issues. These perspectives include the behavioral perspective, the societal perspective and the cultural perspective. If we try to enumerate the kind of topics that health psychologists study, the range is very wide. To name a few of the topics, health psychologists study cognitions related to illness, that is health and illness related cognitions, social cognitive aspects of health and illness, cognitive adaptation, chronic illness and adaptation to chronic illness, disability, stress and management of stress. Health psychologists also study topics such as health related quality of life, social support and various kinds of coping mechanisms that people adopt to deal with illness experience. In addition to this kind of experience, health psychologists also study healthcare systems, health promotion and treatment related aspects including doctor-patient relationships. So, as we see, the range of topics is very large. Health psychologists also use qualitative methods and they study topics such as narratives of illness experience as well as social representations of health and illness. So, we see that the range of these topics is very large. However, this is not an exhaustive list. More recently, some health psychologists have adopted a critical health psychology approach. These health psychologists are, they offer a critique of mainly of the biomedical and behavioral perspective of health and illness as well as the methods and approach which is used to understand health and illness. So, critical health psychologists focus on the social, cultural and political aspects of health issues. If we look at the methodological aspects, Overall, health psychologists adopt quantitative methodology. They also use qualitative methodology, and many health psychologists use the mixed method approach.